Okay, hi, it's Clint from Newman Marking Solutions. I'm going to show you how we printed on the small metal parts with the JetStamp Graphic 970 printer. You can see here how it has a print head that moves. This is a very unique unit. Don't let this JetStamp name fool you. It has a self-traversing head, which makes this printer unique in the marketplace. You still see up close here how it will work. So those are very small parts. This is the MP ink, which is meant for metal and plastics. It dries quite quickly. So I'm just eyeballing this by eye, which you can do. You can see here I can manage to get it in an okay spot, but if you're doing this kind of thing, you might want to be creating certain kind of templates that will help you with the lining up of where the text will actually be. Just I'll do a few so you can see it. And the ink's dry. So here's another unit. This is a different message, and you're going to see that there's a bit of a divot in this metal, so there's a gap. So it's actually not printing right tight, but it still looks pretty good. The closer it is to the surface, the cleaner the text will be. So now it's on a flat surface. And here I'm going to talk about the darkness. So you can do a double print or a single print. One print, dries quick. Then you stay in place. Double. Do another one, which gives you darker print. That's pretty unique. Here's another part. This looks like aluminum or aviation steel of some kind. You can see the difference. If you did want it to be more vibrant, you can do that. Here's the same part, but doing it in even a smaller area. I think the text size was about 6 points. Very small. I'm not sure if it can go any smaller than that, but that was quite impressive. We'll try it that way. I'm also using the other ones around it. You could see it as a surface underneath to keep the whole thing flat. That makes it much easier too. Alright, so now I just want to quickly show you how the software looks. This is how the messages that I'd created look in there, and they transfer with USB or Bluetooth. And here's how everything looked after it was done, and those are the samples. So thanks a lot. If you like these, subscribe for more, and if you need any questions answered, please let us know.